Quiz for Kids. Animal series.
Which animal has a large furry hump on its neck and is often associated with cold weather? A. Giraffe. B. Polar bear. C. Elephant. D. Lion. B. Polar bear. What is the flying animal known for making a hooting sound and is often associated with wisdom? A. Hawk. B. Cat. C. Snake. D. Owl.
D. Owl.
What water-dwelling mammal has fins and gills? A. Tortoise. B. Sea lion. C. Walrus. D. Whale. C. Sea lion. Which animal changes the color of its skin to match its surroundings? A. Frog. B. Crocodile. C. Snake. D. Tortoise. A. Frog. The animal known for its ability to walk on water due to its wide feet is the A. Horse. B. Goat. C. Spider. D. Ant. C. Spider. This animal is famous for its larvae that develop in decaying flesh. A. Fly. B. Spider. C. Butterfly. D. Ant. A. Fly. What creature inhabits two habitats, both on land and in water, and has a long flexible neck and beak? A. Flamingo. B. Elephant. C. Zebra. D. Giraffe. A. Flamingo. Which animal carries its offspring in a pouch on its belly? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Kangaroo. D. Lion. C. Kangaroos. The animal that releases a foul-smelling spray as a defense mechanism and is often considered a bad omen is the A. Squirrel. B. Raccoon. C. Skunk. D. Hedgehog. Skunk. Which creature is famous for its long migrations and can navigate back to its home using the Earth's magnetic field? A. Heron. B. Turtle. C. Bee. D. Eagle. C. Bee.
Have fun with this quiz and enjoy learning about animals. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe.